guys, welcome back to my channel, Mola's My Lou. As you know, I'm a food, fashion and lifestyle enthusiast. Today we're going to be reviewing feminine hygiene products, and I came across this Instagram page, Empress Body. I'm going to be showing you their Instagram accounts. I'm going to be giving more information about how the whole account is and what it entails.
Why? It's an African one. Yeah.
It's by Empress.
Yeah, me I like it. Something so.
But I purchased some items from them. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There you go. I purchased some items from them, like a sample box, and this is what I received from them. The Moringa Powder. I was gonna show. It's like an antioxidant and stuff. I'm going to like list the benefit after this. And you just basically sprinkle it on your salad, put it in your soups or whatnot. I would rather just put it in a smoothie or something. So now down to the business. This is called YONI wash. It's meant to keep and it's meant to cleanse your, your honey pearl or honey pot, as they call it over here, your vajayjay. Let me just tell you, this thing, it doesn't have too much of a strong smell because most of their products, the whole line is based on herbal ingredients and all that. This is very good. This is so nice. You guys should look at it. I use just a little bit of it, not too much. This one is the funniest one, guys. It's called their Detox Pearls. So let me show you. This is how it looks. Let me show you guys. And their Instagram page is Empress, like EMPRESS_body. These pearls, they come in like the herbal detox pearls. They come in like thread, this type of thing, and basically you're meant to like untangle the thread just a little bit and then shove this up. Okay, first of all, I've always said this on here, if you're trying a new product, you have to make sure that if they tell you use it for 30 minutes, use it up for half the time, so use it for 15 minutes. If they tell you use it for 24 hours, use it for 12 hours. You're not meant to use a new product for the full time. You have to see if your body's going to react, if your body's going to take it nicely or not. So they advise you to use this for like 3 days total, and I use this for just 24 hours. I could have used it for half of 3 days. I don't know how much that is, but I just decided to use it for just 1 day, just 24 hours. And guys, the story about this is so funny because I didn't even read the instructions. As an African, we always go with what we have up here. And I just thought, okay, why should I put thread inside of me? It doesn't make sense. So I took everything out and I put the ball itself up and inside. I was very scared. I was like, when it was time to take it out, because this worked so well. It really detoxed it and everywhere felt so clean, so tight. So I actually felt like I didn't have any I felt like my hymen grew back overnight. I really felt like there was no hole or anything there anymore. So I started panicking and I had to like message the company people, whatever the account. I DM'd them, I emailed them. I was like, yo, what is all this? I'm going to sue you people. This is crazy. I cannot find my hole. What is going on here? How do I take it out? I don't want to actually use it for the 3 days. Or does it come out itself after the 3rd day? Do I have to really stay the 3 days? Because I don't like to use new products for the whole duration of time. So basically they directed me on how to take it out. They were very kind and gentle with me. They were understanding. They were not rude. Very nice. One of the companies that I can actually say, yeah, no matter how much you panic, they will really understand and they'll care for you. Another thing is I prefer this to douches or douche or whatever, because that could cause cancer, and also like it will not balance your pH as much as they always claim it would. It might make you more alkaline, more acidic, depending on your system, depending on your body. But I would rather just use something like this, or detox from inside out, like orally. Maybe drink like green tea and, you know, do the detox, maybe green tea for like 3 days, 4 days, a whole week, or smoothie, something like that. I really am not really a fan of douches. You should douche like after each period cycle, but douches is just another whole story. The whole pumping all these chemicals inside of you is not really something I would advise anybody to do, really. I'd rather you just let your body cleanse itself out. Your body's meant to do such. You cleanse yourself out, and then you drink stuff that will cleanse you from inside out, everything. And that's for this one. So this really works, and this is going to bring out a whole lot of charge and all these toxins out of your body. It will tighten you. There's a lot of benefits to it. I'm trying to read the email that they sent. I didn't come prepared, I'm sorry. It's been a while I've done this. Okay guys, sorry. So basically I made sure that I mentioned I emailed the company directly just so that they can give me the full details of like everything, you know, in summary, so that I can actually relay that message to you guys. This is not a paid video, it's not sponsored. I just really love the effect of what I got from this Detox Pearls, and also the YONI wash, and then the spray. I'm gonna come to this in a bit, but basically let me just show you what they said. Oh, I hope I'm gonna repeat this again. Do not be like me, because I had to go through a very funny way and method and process of removing this from me. I was so terrified. You make sure that you draw the string out just a little bit, not too much, in a way that it would, you know, the remaining thread will be hanging out, and then the pearl itself will be inside. So as I was saying, they said some really nice lady from the company, Miss Cassandra Mitchell, she replied me, and then she was like, you know, the vagina is self-cleansing, like I said, but due to many things such as your diet, soaps, sanitary products, we fail to see the true feeling of our vaginas. It's good to detox toxins away, as the buildup can lead to serious ailments such as BV, fibroids, and cysts. Many women without ailments use our pearls to prevent any serious ailments from occurring. Giving their yoni, your yoni is your, you know, giving their yoni a detox and feeling better after, or just to taste better, feel better and tighter, or feel more lubricated, depending on whatever you want. Empress body pearls work by specially selected herbs, creating a pulling effect. I really felt that. I really did, especially when I was taking it out. I'm not going to show you a picture of what I saw, but I'm going to show you a picture. By the way, disclaimer, this video is just for women. I'm sorry if you're a guy, you don't even really need to keep on with this, because your head just be going all around. You don't want to imagine, just let it be. Give this video to your girl, forward it to her, you know, it's very good. So your wife, your auntie, your sister, your lover, just send it to any female in your life that you know that this may help to benefit. Also, it helps against excess vaginal discharge and also vaginal odors. There's some women that, you know, they always shy away from this topic, but it's something that we should discuss as ladies, because, you know, you can't have a smelly under area. Like, something cannot fall down, somebody wants to bend down and pick it beside you and they cannot even breathe, or you open your legs during summer or any time of the day just to relax and somebody cannot breathe. You know, you have to take care of your, you know, area, because these things can lead to more serious things, so you just don't want any of that to occur. Also, the pearls work specially by selected herbs, creating a pulling effect that draws toxins, bad bacteria. There's good bacteria, so bad bacteria, dead cells, old blood clots, especially for somebody that just gave birth. Maybe after a while you should use something like this to tighten you up. It would help, and also to draw away like dead cells and old blood clots, because after your period, after pregnancy, after labor, all of that, you're gonna have some old blood clots and blood remnants all around. And then also mucus, excess mucus, and more from your yoni, while at the same time tightening your yoni and deterring vaginal dryness. Deterring means taking away vaginal dryness. For some people that have any problems with feeling, you know, moisturized down there naturally, this is something that would help you. And then other ailments or like vagina scratching or crocker or whatever, this is very good. I'm gonna tell you, I only used it for 1 day and the effect was amazing. And then she went on to say, I hope I helped answer your question, all your questions, and if you have more, please do not hesitate to contact us. And then I'm gonna just show you guys so you know that I'm not lying. So this is the email. Yeah. So guys, okay, now to this is the Empress Hydrates Mist. It has chamomile, witch hazel, rose water, aloe, radish root, and lavender. If you are essential oil or this fragrance person, you know that all of this is very good. So this is a natural way to neutralize odor. So imagine after using this pearl and then you cleanse it out for 3 days. During the 3 days you can also use this. After, I don't know, I just believe that something like this would be better than Summer's Eve. I used to use Summer's Eve, but then I realized they had too much chemicals. So when I came across this company, I was so happy because I'm like, okay, this is herbal, this is organic, it's natural, it's not, there's no chemicals and all that. I felt more comfortable to use this because those other chemicals might actually cause cancer or all of that, you know, whatever unwanted products in the future. So this is, it smells good, but they're not so crazy that it's like, you know, something, it should feel natural, and this smells very feminine, very mild and natural. That's how it comes up. It smells good. So I guess after you come out of the shower and all that, maybe 1 or 2 spritz down there, but not too close, you know, just a reasonable amount of distance, and you're good to go. And if you're the kind that you feel like you smell a lot during the day, or there's a lot of heat or whatever down there, or you're the type that you have to sit a lot, maybe in the office or all of those places that you know that there will be a lot of heat generated, because after heat generates, there's bound to be more odor, more sweat and all of that. So this is something that you can use after getting your feminine wipes. You wipe down your area, you spray this, put up your panties, and you're good to go. Anyways, that's all I'll be reviewing today. The Yoni wash, the pearls. The Yoni wash is like you know, to cleanse, like how you have your facial cleanser, you should also cleanse down there. You can't just be looking beautiful while down there is a whole mess. And then your spray and the pearls. This is just, you know, internal detox and antioxidant, whatever. The Moringa Powder. There's also the Spirulina or Spirulina, something like that, but I gave that to Bae and I took this one. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I apologize because I know I haven't been uploading as often as I should, but I've been so busy with real life issues and, you know, busy with real life situations and cases and everything. But as soon as I get myself settled, I will get used to this. And you know, I do not get paid for this. It's not like I want to, but I'm kind of used to this. I love this. It's my passion, but I rather also face real life and also try to see how I can balance this at the same time. And I'm not gonna lie, it's just, it's not easy being motivated when you have so many things to put your mind on and focus on. It's not easy being motivated to do something that is kind of leisure something. Although it's my passion, but sometimes life just gets in the way, honestly. But by the grace of God, I pray that everything will work out for me and I will be able to have more leisure time so that I can face you guys. Thank you so much. And keep watching, guys. Bye.
My African hands, them gon' love you. Yeah. My African lips, them gon' kiss you.